Happy Vlogmas day 7. So work day's done. It's Friday and I'm so happy. Work done, workout done, shower done. So today is our, turn this off, is our town's Christmas parade. Super fun. It's at night. So me and I don't like to go every single year. So she's gonna come over. We're gonna do something for dinner. Sorry, just trying to reveal. And yeah, get ready. I still have to put makeup on. It's gonna be chilly. Okay, but I thought before we get started, let's should do the advent calendar day 7. Okay. Do I see it? Here it is. Oh, what is this? Okay, let's check this out. It is Via Liberata Beauty Blur Skin Tone Optimizer in the color Latte. That's kind of hard. I feel like they keep putting stuff that has like color and tint to it, so that'll be interesting. That concealer was too light, so I can't really use that. I don't know what this really does actually. Moisturizing primer and skin finish in one. The sheer tint covers, corrects, and adds natural radiance for your optimum skin tone. Using a foundation brush, beauty blender, or your fingertips, apply small dots across your face, neck, and décolleté and blend. Okay, more directions. I can't be reading all these directions. So I don't know if you like, anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna open it up with one hand. Take a look at it. Oh, the color is not too bad. It's actually darker than I thought. Like, and I guess you just like put it on. I don't know. It definitely feels like silicone-y. So I don't know if it's like a primer. And then you can put something else on, or you could wear it alone. It's not doing much for me. But it actually, for it being the light color, is that what it is? Oh, Latte. Maybe it's supposed to be a little bit darker. I don't know. It seems pretty dark. It's organic skin tone optimizer. Use sparingly after moisturizer. Okay, well, that's kind of a cool, something I've never tried or heard of. I've heard of the brand Via Liberata, but never tried any of their products. So yeah, that was a good one. So I'm gonna just sit and relax until it's time for us to get moving and my mom gets here. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Lola, you getting ready for the parade? Grandma, get your costume, honey. Grandma, get your costume. What you gonna wear? Be so pretty, honey. It's gonna be so pretty.
The place you would do anything to protect.
Just getting nervous. Just getting nervous.
You need home security. But traditional alarm companies have made things so complicated that you just keep putting it on the bottom of your list. Well, simply safe home
okay, what you
security
gonna put on? Let me see.
home,
Let me see that one.
Customer, one thoughtful innovation at a time.
See what it looks like.
A security system so simple, you can set it up yourself.
Oh, that one's cute because it has a scarf for the Christmas parade. She looks really happy about that. Oh, she looks excited. That's cute, Lola, with her scarf. Oh, that goes through there.
Sometimes it goes through there. Well, I guess I'm not.
How come it doesn't fit?
Oops. Let's do that. That'll do. Okay, Lola, do you need a hat?
Yeah, it's gonna be cold. She has 2 hats?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Oh yeah, she wore that one. Did she
No,
wear
she
that
wore
one?
the other one. The
Last
naughty
year?
and nice.
No, I want her to wear the naughty one.
See which one this looks like. See what it looks like, love.
Okay.
You shrink, honey.
It looks like Fraggle Rock.
Did your head get bigger?
Something.
Okay,
Let me see. Tuck that tag in. That's embarrassing. Okay, she could wear that one. Do you think it goes with that sweater?
No. I'm gonna try the other one.
You try the other one? I think this red will go better.
Better.
Better. What happened? Did it boil over? Oh my gosh, making a mess in my kitchen.
Come on, look.
Don't touch her yet. Let me look, gonna zoom in on her. Lola, you look so happy, honey.
Oh, honey. Show your head.
Okay, you have her on the naughty side? Yes. Oh yeah, that one's better. That one fits her way better, Lola. Hi, honey. Well, don't get it all twinkle. Okay, she's ready.
She's ready. Okay, get to Steve.
Let me see. Oh, deceive. Okay.
She's looking at
Lola. Get a cookie, go for a walk. Let me see. Be the star of the... Be the star, honey. Oh, yes. Smile, Mom. That's so cute. Let me zoom in on her cute. Oh my gosh, Lola. Everyone give Lola a thumbs up because her so beautiful.
Thumbs up for me. See, that's blooming like mine.
Oh yeah, that's pretty. It's really pretty.
Landed on his face, snapping.
She looks so cute.
Hi, little one. You look so cute. Oh my God. It's adorable.
She is pretty cute, Mom. We made it to the parade. Look at Lola, she's so perfect. Oh, we get to see the tree being lit, Mom. Made it home. It was super fun. A great way to kind of kick off the holiday season and get in the spirit. I am tired. The parade started at 6:30. It's now 9 o'clock. I just got home. And that doesn't even count, like we were at the beginning of the parade. Those people at the end, man, they got some time. So it was fun. Lola was so cold and tired, but she had fun. So I'm gonna go ahead, say goodnight, edit this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.